Danny Davies. Ffigio fynd un ffordd cyn troi ffordd arall. Cei Connah yn dwy'n y bêl. A Mendes yn ildio'r meddiant yn syth yn ôl i'r tîm cartra. Brobl o bell! A fe nath Andy Firth yn dda. Tîm cartra'n cadw'r meddiant yn troi'r sgriw yn ara deg. Croesiad i mewn tro ma, a penni a Josh Daniels sy'n rhoi'r Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. A fe gododd y Gwyddel bach yn dda, cael ei ben ati ac yn sgorio i 6ed gôl o'r tymor. Josh Daniels yn torri i mewn i cwrt Cosby. McManus yn crymanu'r bêl ar draws wyneb y gôl a fodfeddi heibio'r postyn. A bron i ni weld 2 gôl mewn 2 funud. Canfod Brobl, croesia Brobl cael ei ffenio allan. Redmond ar y cynnig cynta. A mae wedi dod yn ôl at Redmond. A'r bêl reit ar draws wyneb y gôl. Routledge. Codi ben. Taro'r bêl hir i lwybr Declan McManus. McManus yn erbyn y golwr! A dim ond un enillydd, ond am mynd i fod yn yr ornest yna. 8ed gôl ar hugian Declan McManus yn y gyngrau'r tymor yma. McManus, tuag at Ben Clark. Clark efo'r sotliad. A na chi gôl sa honna di bod. Oni bai bod George Horan wedi chlirio oddi ar y llinell. Ryan Astles yn y cylch canol. Pas hir Letsaws ganddo fo. Cael ei ffenio lawr gan Daniels. I lwybr McManus. Josh Daniels unwaith eto. I mewn i cwrt Cosby. Daniels! Yn curo Andy Firth ar y postyn agosa. Ail gôl Josh Daniels o'r pnawn. Mae'r Seintiau bellach 2 ar y blaen. Routledge. I lwybr McManus. McManus! Andy Firth yn cael y gora arno fo'r tro yma. Ergyd isel gan yr Albanwr. Fe nath golwr Cei Connah yna. Josh Williams yn colli'r meddiant. McManus yn coroni pnawn o ddathlu ac efo'r gôl yna. Declan McManus sy'n bellach wedi sgorio y nifer mwyaf o goliau mewn tymor yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru o dan y fformat presennol. Nash dros y llinell hanner. Canfod Ryan Harrington. Os na ryw gysur i'r ymwelwyr ar ddiwedd pnawn anodd. Harrington! O, gwych! Gôl wefreiddiol gan Ryan Harrington. Cyn chwaraewr y Seintiau Newydd efo roced o ergyd o'r tu allan i'r cwrt Cosby. A dyna gadarnhad am yr ail dymor o'r bron ac am y 15fed tro yn ei hanas. Y Seintiau Newydd ydi pencampwyr uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. Mae'r tân gwyllt ymlaen a mae'r dathliadau'n dechrau.
You won 4-1 today, as you said, a very comfortable victory against the team who are finishing the season as runners-up. You've been absolutely dominant this season.
Yeah, we have. You know, the players have got to take all the credit for that. You know, they go out on the pitch and they give everything they've got. Fantastic professionals. You know, it starts training from a Monday to Friday, and then it carries on the game. Look, I'm really disappointed that we got beat off Cardiff Met all them weeks ago, because it would have been a season without getting beat. But it's not a strong point of mine letting things go. You look even today. It's a great goal by Ryan Harrington, but I'm absolutely raging that he scored a goal. So, sometimes I do overstep the mark a little bit, but it's just the high standards we need to keep, because we've got another cup final next week and we don't take our foot off the pedal.
Trwy tymor, da ni gyd i gweithio'n galad a da ni falch heddiw, da ni wedi cael dathlu fa yma adre yn lle ni, ia.
with those 2 goals against Quay this afternoon, that's made sure now that you hold the record for the most goals in a season in the Cymru Premier under the current format. Were you aware of that?
I was not aware of that. I've been trying even harder. No, that's amazing. Thanks for that bit of news. I genuinely didn't know that. But no, it's a credit to every single one of the boys behind me, because without them supplying the chances, I wouldn't get a goal. So I can only thank the boys behind me.
We've had a great season from start to finish, really. I think we lost 1 game maybe, which was a bit of a freak game, I think, if I remember back to it. And yeah, so we just need to keep them standards going, hopefully take it into the cup final and then obviously on into the Champions League.
Just a quick word on the new Saints. They're absolutely relentless, aren't they?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, we firmly believe that we've won our league this season. We don't believe that, TNS are actually in our league, if you like, because they're the only full-time team. The budget's gone through the roof since obviously Connah beat them to the title 2 years in a row, and they didn't like it. So understandably, they're smarting. They've pushed the boundaries that probably other clubs can't reach. So credit to them for doing that and trying to enhance the level of the league. But we're very happy with how we've done this season in terms of finishing second ourselves.
Enjoy today, enjoy the afternoon. The lads will have Sunday off and we're back training Monday. So that's we'll prepare properly. We'll train 4 or 5 times next week, and we'll prepare that as we're prepared all season. Whether it's the first game, whether it's a cup game, whether it's a European game, we'll prepare this week, because also as well, the Welsh Cup is it's a great cup to win, historic cup to win. And like I said, I'm not very good letting things go. Bala were the last team that, my last game of the season, last time I was here, that beat win the cup final to stop the treble. So I haven't let that go. No, I haven't.